Hi everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Hope you're all doing well today. Today I have a little 8x8 used canvas, and I'm going to do a bloom technique, but I'm going to do it as a swipe. And I've gone ahead and put down my pillow layer, as they call it, and I will go over what materials I'm using. This is only the second time I've tried to do a Shelee art or a bloom technique. So my pillow layer is just semi-gloss white house paint, and I have added a little bit of Floetrol to it and a little bit of water. I did thin it down just a little bit. And then for the paint, the pouring medium for the paint is the untinted house paint, 4 ounces of that to 2 ounces of the Josonja gloss varnish, and you mix that together, and then you add about a ½ ounce of that pouring medium to your paint, or you add your paint to that pouring medium, and just a little bit of paint. And I will show you consistency here. You can just, you want it to drizzle right back into your cup. A steady drizzle. And then for my topper, I've used Amsterdam titanium white today. And it's 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part of that Amsterdam white. And then I also added about 4 drops of the Minwax Pre-Stain, and that is the topper coat. My paints today are all from US ArtQuest, and they're called Perfect Pigment, and I have bright yellow, I have green pearl, I have deep sky blue, and my last one is napthol red. So let's get started. I've already, like I said, I already put down my pillow layer, but what I'm going to do is just go across and give it a little extra paint here, like a pillow. And like I said, I am going to just do a little swipe. So I'm just going to add my colors across. No silicone is used in this technique. And this green I'm using is almost like a metallic. It's very pretty, it's shimmery. And in the description below, I will put all these materials that I've used. I've watched several artists now do this bloom technique or Shelee art. I did not take the course. But there are several artists that are doing really beautiful work with this technique. Okay, and my last color is the yellow. And now I'm going to put my topper on. And I want to put it on thick enough so that I can get to it on each side with my little piece of plastic that I'm going to be using to do my swipe. Okay. So I'll just get started. See what we get here. I'm going to go over this area lightly one more time here. Okay, now I'll turn it around. Seems to be missing quite a bit here. Just go over it lightly. See if I can get this a little better. Okay, let's see what we get here. Getting some interesting cells. Just going to tip a little bit here. And I will tip it back. And I think I will add a little bit more paint. Do a little redo here at the end. Okay, see what we get this time. Okay, while I wait to see how that reacts, I'm going to do a little bit more tipping. See if we can get any paint to move at all. I will finish the sides of this little painting off screen. Looks like some of the paint is now moving. Very slow. And please feel free to fast forward if you need to for this part. I just want to see what kind of result I can get here by tipping it a little bit. Okay, tip it back just a little bit. Okay. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I do like the color combination here. And I will get you down for a close-up. Okay, we have the upper left-hand corner here. It's pretty in there with the red and the orange color. Then this is the lower left-hand corner. And there's the upper right-hand corner. And the lower right-hand corner. So I did get a little bit of that lacing right in this area here. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Or like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Please ring the bell and choose all so you're notified the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye.